What is up, guys? Welcome to another MacBook Pro unboxing. So this is the MacBook Pro 14-inch screen with 16 gigabytes of RAM and all that good stuff. Well, if you guys enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe, and let's get into the unboxing itself. So, the box is just a typical MacBook Pro box, and basically now we're just gonna, flip it over and start opening it. So now we're gonna get into the box itself. I gotta carefully open it up, and as you can see, their MacBook is in there. Okay, thank God. So now we're gonna carefully lift out the MacBook and place it aside for now, so we can look at what's inside the box. So inside the box, you get this little pamphlet type thing. Okay, it's just the pamphlet. You get it with every single Apple thing. It has like a manual inside of it, I think. Yeah, it has a manual and Apple stickers, so you can do whatever the hell you want with it. Okay, now we're just gonna put that aside, and then you get the power brick. Okay, obviously you're gonna get a power brick, because how the hell else are you gonna charge your thing? How are you gonna charge it? And you also get a charging cable, because without it you can't charge your MacBook, and your MacBook's basically useless. Okay, so just a charging cable, is kind of special. But now the box is empty, so we can just throw that aside, okay, because we don't need it no more. We can finally get to the damn MacBook. So we're gonna, just like unbox the MacBook out of the freaking package. And that's the MacBook Pro, it's space gray. And yeah, now we're just gonna get into the thickness. It's pretty thick, it's thicker than the last MacBook. So now we're just gonna get into the internals of the MacBook, open it up. So we open up the MacBook, and it automatically turns on, and there's like this film thing that you can just peel off while it's saying hello to you. Okay, now we're just gonna get into the screen itself. They removed the bezel. Now you have that little notch thing, notch from Minecraft. Okay, I don't know why I said that, but it has a pretty decently sized screen, and it's just a MacBook. They removed the touch bar that you used to have inside the old MacBooks. It used to exist right there, and it's a pretty standard keyboard. They also got standard keyboard with the Touch ID in the corner. And yeah, basically the touchpad is pretty decently sized, responsive. And yeah, that's basically the MacBook's internals. Now typing wise, at first it took some time to get used to, because I was used to mechanical keyboards. But after a while, I got used to the Apple keyboard, That's a pretty good keyboard. Now moving on to, how fast it is. Well, it does have 16 gigs of RAM, so it is pretty fast. It loads shit pretty fast, Google loaded pretty fast. Now we get to the audio. The audio is pretty good, as you can see. I'm jamming out to it. Overall, what do I think of the MacBook Pro 14-inch? Well, I think it's a pretty decent laptop for a student if you can afford it. It is sort of on the pricey side, more like, I think it's like $26.99 or some fucking bullshit. It's mad expensive. But if you can afford it, I would say go for it. But there are better options. If you want a faster one, play games or something, you could probably get a way better gaming laptop. For an Apple laptop, and for somebody who's a student, I would say it's pretty good laptop. Or if you need it for work or some bull crap, it is a pretty good laptop, Yeah, so if you want to get it, get it. If you don't. I can't be held accountable. It's nice talking to you guys. Please like and subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed. Boing.